provide a gift, a reliable transportation for 2 deserved recipients.
There you go, Michelle. Awesome. Michelle, tell me what this means to you and your fam.
This means a big deal for me. It means the difference between being able to buy a house and buy a car. So, thank you.
As we're wrapping up today, we had the honor to participate in a Recycle Right gifting of not 1, but 2 vehicles.
My name's Derek McBride, and I'm with One More Child, and we're just here to thank you for all that you're doing for our single moms and the single mom community. They're such, you guys are doing such good work, and what you're doing is impacting our community in many ways, not only just raising our young men and women, but also giving women hope out there. So thank you very much for all that you're doing, and we look forward to continued success with you.
Safe driving!